Guys, it's evening actually, and I just wanted to quickly come out with a new video on Ondo because it is about to give a possible entry opportunity. So I wanted to bring it to your attention because this is a altcoin that there was big institutions involved, and as you can see, it's only been in an uptrend. But on strong assets like this, if you get a retrace onto support and you can get that entry, it's a buying opportunity. So that's what I'm going to show you. A few quick things I want to point out is first, if you're interested in these videos, please leave a like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications so you get these videos as I drop them. If you have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. Aside from that, if you're interested in trading with me live or have any other questions and you would like an answer immediately, please feel free to join the Discord server. The link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps this channel grow. So thank you so much for that. Now back to the chart. As you see, I'm sure people were trying to short over here. As we're getting to the top, what's going on is we are actually seeing bearish divergence on volume. Buying is slowing down as we're coming to the tippy top. So people who are taking this short is probably in an advantageous position. Hopefully they are taking profit properly because this is an uptrend still and it's not looking for any change of character for a downtrend yet. So I would just be very careful with any kind of shorts on assets like this. If volume is slowing down, yeah, it's a bearish divergence possibility, but it could also be a buying opportunity for someone to imprint a nice little green impulse in your face. I'm going to quickly turn on the indicators. If you go back to the last video, I do have an old video on Ondo. I don't know exactly how I have everything charted, so I just did it brand new. From original, you can see the uptrend that we have. We already had a test into our original take profit area from the first long. Now over here, you can see how it actually allowed you to get into 3 red zones. This is how, if you looked at any new video that I've made in this last week or two, we're looking at charts and you're seeing the blue-green line. This is how I like to see when blue-green accumulation for uptrend is confirming by not opening and closing underneath the fib pocket. So anyone who took a short here got it hard because you didn't really have an opportunity to close out your short aside from this one wick. Anyone who took it then kind of got trapped in that bull trap. And now the real short is actually coming in that bearish divergence. Let me turn on the indicator. There you go. Here was the near overbought conditions coming out on our side. Now what we would look for over here is basically a test of support, just like we did on the bottom. And how I like to go about that is I look for where we have the high and the low of that range. I just hold a little shift over here. If you hear, that's my cat crying for attention. Just put a nice little block over there, and then now as we get the retracement, I will be looking for that entry into that area. Sometimes I like to even do one of these little channels like so. You can fix this up once it's plotted. And I do want to see history like that. This is just for visual reference before I go to doodle mode. But there you go. So just like something like this is what we're looking for, is that, hey, the asset is in an uptrend. It's coming back to test support. Hopefully we can find an opportunity to pick it up on this support where it makes a higher low and we get that uptrend continuation back above the red top line into the next 3 white area. And we already did that test once, so next time we come into that area, I'm looking for us to just take that liquidity and continue this 1-to-1 move. Usually it's a 1-to-1 move if it's bull flag like this, 1-to-1. So if it breaks out of this channel after consolidating, I would be looking for it to come to here, top line for the full position or full take profit. And then the middle line is where we'd be looking for this kind of consolidational reaction. When that time comes, it's going to be obviously a few weeks because we got plenty of time for RSI to cool off on the weekly time frame. And monthly, you don't even have anything plotted, obviously. So you got 6 more days left in this week, and this week is already on its downtrend. If you go to daily, after today's daily close, tomorrow we can look to see if we can retrace and test back into support around 125. If we can't get above 125 again and hold, then obviously the next possible path of least resistance is the white price action path that I've already dictated out for you. So, just be prepared for that. And there is the price right here, so that way you can see what's going on. And I can go to weekly time frame, and that'll give you that one last look as to what this possibility is. And you can see this over here as well, the consolidation over here that broke out. So if it comes back into this area, it makes sense to be able to consider it a buying opportunity. And that's why you have this retest area. Yeah, you can get it only to the top of the wick, but maybe if it comes to the mid of the channel, that's where you want to put the biggest bang of your buck. But any open and closes of candle bodies underneath this point is a very, very big warning sign for a continuation back to the bottom of the fib to retest these wicks over here. Okay, so that's like the worst case scenario is over here. If you see weakness, be prepared for one last deeper dive into this actual order block. How do I how do I easily show you this order block? Like, there you go. Keep it in white. So coming into that area is where the biggest concern would be if it's opening and closing underneath the midline of this white channel. The most bullish scenario would be for it to just contest the top of the channel and the midline of this channel on the uptrend and just ride it right back out. So yeah, we're gonna go down maybe to $1.12. Yes, we can find a dead cat bounce back into $1.20, but it's not unless we're opening and closing above what is this POC over here? $1.20. Yeah, it's not unless we're opening and closing above $1.20 on tomorrow's daily close do we even consider a possible reversal. And really, you need a weekly close above $1.26 for you to confirm that yes, the liquidity grab of the downside is done and over, and we could look for a possible reversal of that, and it could even get even more overbought. So if no one sells and people continue buying, that's what's going to happen. The buying opportunity of getting into this asset on the retracement is happening right now. If you don't get in on a laddered position and you buy too early or all your position at once, you might not be able to get a more advantageous position cheaper because you weren't just patient enough. So keep in mind this is a weekly time frame. So you have time. Just be prepared, set your limits, make your plan, and understand that coming back into this area seems logical and probable. And having the plan for the reaction here is probably the smartest thing you can do as a trader waiting to buy on a retracement on support retest. So yeah, I mean, it doesn't really get any better than that. So let's see if that plays out over the next few weeks. If you guys have any questions or concerns, get in the comment section below. Like I said, if you could, please leave a like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications so you get these updates as they come out. And if you have any other questions or concerns, or you want to talk to me live, please feel free to join my Discord server. The link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps this channel grow. So guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Adios.